Today we're heading deep into the back 40 as a snowstorm rolls in. Winter's fully here, so we're hauling fuel, moving machines, and demoing old buildings to burn. Taking the Bombi to the frozen pond, grooming trails, getting stuck, spotting coyotes, and setting up a fully loaded hot tent to camp. It's cold, it's remote, and Christmas is on the way. We've got a traffic jam. Want to warm them up?
Yep. We're taking the X to the back 40 today, so I think we're actually gonna need some fuel.
Big day.
PJ's finally gonna have a full tank for the first time since we owned the X.
If you know anything about yellow tanks, you'll know what this is. Wow, that's incredible.
220 liters to fill up the tractor and the excavator without having to go to the gas station so many times. And this thing has even cooler things inside.
Whoa.
We have our fill up, we have our gas gauge, we have our nozzle, and I'm very happy it has one of these things so you can hold it like that, pump, and then how we power it. And it's portable, so you can bring it anywhere on the land. The excavator has 120, and the tractor takes a jerry can and a half. So we'll have extra, which I think is perfect.
Also,
for this,
come spring, we're gonna be running the machine every day.
We're building a house, y'all.
This is gonna be drained pretty quick.
Yeah.
In order to use this tank, we have to clear the ice off the truck so it will fit in the bed and then take it down to the station.
155.9. There we go. I have to say, this is already the easiest fill up I've done, and I'm still at the station. All right, we're full. Full enough that this went off because it touched quarter to full, which I think is a good thing. I don't think you ever want to fill it. 291.56.
There's truly nothing like that.
All done. We have a lot of diesel to spare. I'm pretty impressed with this. Honestly, the quality of just even everything. The tube, the connections, the handle, pretty nice.
The real deal. Considering the excavator was empty and we still have half of this full and we didn't even fill this, pretty epic. This is gonna go a long way.
This fork on this tractor for so long. Something's not lining up. I thought it was frozen, so we tried melting the ice, and we need it off because we got to take that diesel tank off our truck now. I think Crystal found the culprit. Oh my!
We thought we found a really good spot until we realized it's actually really close to the chimney. We haven't used it yet, but we know there's going to be a day soon where we are going to be putting some wood in there. We found the next best spot, which I actually believe to be the best spot because it's close, it's convenient, it's flat. What?
Our poor dog. I just shoveled it.
Oh. Give her a pat.
Gotta come inside. Nice to see green grass in the earth right now.
That's done.
There we go.
Beautiful.
That should be good. JNC fuels.
Negative 13's got nothing on me. I'm boiling hot right now. Should look at us around a marathon. Thank you. Might as well plow the road while I'm here. This is the first machine we've ever owned with an enclosed heated cab. Oh, this is luxurious. I'm boiling hot in here, I'm not gonna lie. Look at those. Those are fresh. You can see the tracks are continuing all the way down the trail. Wintertime reveals so many tracks, but also our cameras have been revealing a coyote almost every single night crossing by. And through all of our trails, all the cameras are catching them. It's been really neat to see. Crystal's figuring out what tracks these are.
We've been driving the Bombardier so much that I almost forgot how little traction the ATV has. I'm slipping and sliding, and honestly back there I got stuck in the snow because it's too deep a few times. But you give her and you get out, but it's pretty wiggly. Thankfully, I've got Jasmine making me a beautiful path to the excavator. Hopefully that doesn't get stuck. But I gotta say, I've got a whole new appreciation all over again for that Bombardier because it is a beast out here on the trails. If you haven't noticed, we're on a little bit of a journey here. We're headed to the back 40 of our property, which is the back part of the land. And so we're caravanning, but it's a new style. Stuck. What a pain. Winter's a whole other set of challenges.
Slow ride, but a nice ride. Had a grand old time here. I don't know where Crystal went though. She's either having fun or getting stuck.
That has me thinking, when we do get that Bombi set up, I'm gonna have a full-on kit in there. Everything you could need, just in case. How was your ride?
Good, just got stuck.
You got stuck?
Yeah.
Since moving to this 65-acre abandoned land, we have made around 20 episodes, and in one of those episodes, this is where we found this field while we were operating a forestry mulcher, and inside that building is a chair and a cage, and at the time it was a little off-putting.
I'm not okay with that.
But as we discovered more of the history of this land, we realized it was just a setup for like a game, training type of thing. Capture the something, keep your queen safe, you know, airsoft things. So it's really not that creepy, but it also needs to go. And we've been waiting for this day forever. We are gonna be preserving the deck so that way we can utilize this area.
So in other words, it's demo time.
First things first, do we want anything in here? Cute?
Yeah, that's pretty cute. I kind of like that white frame too.
Digging into this, I have no idea how this was even standing up. The walls are made out of the ammunition boxes.
If you've never experienced the winter, everywhere you go, the snow is kind of like a little cushion. It's quite nice, not gonna lie. I do have to say though, this has been one of the projects in the back of my mind all year. I haven't stopped thinking about this field because it doesn't look good. I want it gone. And we've just been so preoccupied and busy with everything else. I'm so stoked to finally be at this point. That's gonna be a real nice fire. So it's demo day and fire day. Very easy. Just the touch of a button.
Every time we demo something, we find something. Like the plastic guns that fell out of the RV.
It doesn't matter how much of the ex-Russian survival camp you get rid of, it just keeps coming back. We just found a gun.
And now, just on this.
It's so random.
To the museum. Crystal's up because she's getting cold. Okay, we have our burn, we have our do not burn, like shingles and mats and all that stuff. And then right here we have the burn soon pile. Beautiful swipe! Funny enough, I thought we'd get this whole thing burnt today, but definitely not going to. Everything takes 10 times longer in the winter. I'm very interested to see what we're gonna find under here. It seems like it was a stage, and then there was a roof. The roof collapsed on everything that was underneath, so we've never been able to see it. But of course, I can see stuff like these table legs that look like they match the chairs that were in that room. And then we had this really nice barrel, so we gotta make sure we keep that nice and good. And who knows what else. This isn't just a barrel. I'm not really sure what this is, but this spins. There's a light bulb in there, and we have a plug.
It's a bar.
It's a bar?
Yeah, but look in it.
That would make sense why this cap is here. Oh my god, you building an igloo?
Yeah, so
Wow. A gymnast thing, it looks like.
probably. Can't really tell how long it is, but it's as long as the deck.
They say it gets worse before it gets better. I'm afraid this might not get better until spring though. It's around almost 5 o'clock in the Northern Hemisphere. And it's getting dark already. So, short days, long nights. I think I'm gonna pick up knitting. And puzzles. Look at that deck.
Welcome to the new deck. You would never know that this beautiful deck was buried underneath all of that rubbish, but it's actually in really good condition. It's got really thick decking boards. What is this, like 25 by 16 or something? This is huge. So
Massive.
not only could we put our tent on here,
Yeah.
we'll have space, which is so fun.
It's gonna be like a whole living space.
Yeah, this is the perfect location too. And I really love the elevation of the deck. You know, we could get 3 or 4 feet of snow and our tent will be off the ground.
Very nice.
That's so sick. Everything used to be on paper, and now everything is digital. And we're constantly handing over our personal information just to function day to day. From streaming platforms to utility companies and everything online, we just type it in and hope for the best. And that includes personal things, not just our names, but our addresses, our social security numbers, our phone numbers, information that should be private, but is so easy to access without our consent. The internet is a massive place, and protecting your personal data on your own is nearly impossible. That's why today's video is sponsored by Incogni. Incogni actually tracks down and removes your personal information from online directories, people's search sites, and commercial databases, and even sites that collect and sell your personal information without you ever knowing. The process is fully automated across hundreds of data brokers, and they keep removing your data if it pops back up. It's super simple to get started. You create an account, you authorize Incogni, and they handle the rest. And now with custom removals, if you find your information on a website, you can submit that link manually and have a real privacy expert take care of it for you. Use our link incogni.com/vanwives and our code vanwives for 60% off Incogni's annual plan and take back control of your data.
A little pre-trip inspection on the Bombay before we take it to the back 40. And because it's so cold, I noticed the exhaust shooting into the cab area, which means I think we have some holes in the exhaust. But our ATVs are getting stuck back there. We need the real snow machine today. We're taking a new path to the back 40 right now because the Bombi can go anywhere in our property through any amount of snow. It's so fun. And we're noticing some new tracks. And actually, our cameras caught these tracks last night. This is the coyote. We think it's a coyote.
For sure.
100%. Okay, you open the box, I'll start shoveling. Look at how much snow. That's a good 5-6 inches, almost half a foot. Oh, and it's heavy.
There's our bag. Here's our tent.
And there's your favorite thing in the bottom of the box.
If there's one thing you don't need instructions for, it's untying ties.
Where's the door?
It's a good question.
Crystal had a really good idea to use these dog chains.
They're clasps.
Dog chain or clasp?
How would that even work?
Dog chain?
They only have one.
No, and then you tie it to the chain.
It's not a chain.
People do it all the time. It's a dog chain.
It's a clasp.
Let us know in the comments if this is a dog chain or a clasp.
This goes on a chain.
My point is that
My point is set up the tent.
people might want to do this in their hot tent. I thought it was a really good idea, Chris.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Crystal doesn't like people talking about her. She doesn't like anyone tooting her horn, but she likes to toot already.
Okay, great. Moving on.
Really? Really?
The hot tents and toots, really, really nice.
These are very high quality poles.
Some people live in these tents. You'll have to pull your corner on that side like I just did. And then I will slowly insert the pole without forcing it. And we will have a ridge pole.
What is this?
A pole.
What's it called?
Not sure.
There we go. There. Come. There you go. Wow, it's actually so tall.
It's huge.
Easy.
Looks great.
Chris was about to go get us lunch and, well, look what happened. A little stuck. Thank gosh the excavator's here. PJ to the rescue. Easy work. I think we might need to get a couple sleds. First meal in the tent. A good old cheese and cracker. Thanks for getting lunch. It's quite warm in here, eh?
It's pretty warm. It's nice when there's a fire.
We have 4 more strings to tie, and then I would say our new home is all set up. And what a time to set it up during this blizzard. You installed the window.
Welcome in. This T-post goes up here. Provides additional strength for our tent in the winter because the snow is very heavy.
It's looking great.
It looks so
Good job today.
Good job.
Wow, is that ever comfy?
Looks great.
Amazing! Got a couch in our house.
Wow, that's awesome. Don't even have to cut a hole. We're getting so close to camping, everyone. It's getting really homey and cozy and festive in here. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. No! Are you kidding? Come on. This thing sucks. Ho ho ho. I've been waiting all day for this.
No, I was working with Santa.
Oh, it's incredible.
I was gonna say you can already feel it heated up.
Oh my god.
It's beginning to look a lot.
Like Christmas.
You want it hanging or tight?
While the stove is burning off gassing, we are going to get some I can't talk.
Always something.
Perfect. Love. That's a lot of snow in our home. I love this.
You already ready for bed?
Wow. Wow, does that ever look inviting? We're fully set up, so here's a quick tour. We've got this blazing. I'm about to take my jacket off. Lots of dry firewood beside the fire with our axe and our lighters. Everything's super organized. Our beautiful little Christmas tree to wake up to tomorrow morning, which is gonna be so nice. Big, comfy air mattress to sleep on, and power to blow it up in the middle of the night if needed. Gonna be needed. Always needed. The living room and dining area with a nice love seat for my love. The kitchen, which is an amazing space because it's also our dresser and toiletry area. Lots of storage, coffee, pizza oven, prep area. Got it all.
Luxurious.
I can't wait to eat. Santa needs a break.
Welcome. It's hot in here.
Tent is hot, bellies are full. Now we're gonna take care of these trails. Of joy and happiness the Bombi has brought us is unmatched. It's such a good time. Not only can it get us to camp and bring all our supplies out, but it can groom the trails and do so much more. Game changer.
We're gonna have to shovel this if we want to see
Be
it.
careful because there's also stumps here.
You can see the stump.
Get one in the butt. Oh, it hurt. Oh, it's not frozen.
It's because the snow acts as a blanket and it starts to melt. It's actually the snow melting on top.
Can't slide yet.
No,
We gotta shovel it.
you gotta get the skates out. You gotta get the nets and the hockey sticks out. There's actually not that much to shovel off of it. Santa, make the snow angel.
I think winter is definitely what you make of it. Wow, look how fast the clouds are
I
moving.
was just about to say that.
Back to camp. High five. You're great.
Stove. I highly recommend those boots. That's what I was gonna say.
There's like 4 inches of insulation around your legs and feet.
My feet are happy.
I've never been warmer.
Me either.
Cutting the dough into 4 pieces, because then we have 4 chances to get it right. Doesn't matter what it looks like, it always tastes good. Okay, are you ready? We're having the traditional pizza squeeze, aka sauce. Here comes the pizza lady, or the cheese lady.
It's all that sauce.
There she goes. Got one fired. Smells so good.
Warming station.
Fire it. Sun is going down. And it smells like pizza, chef.
2 out of 4 caught on fire.
Shit.
Oh yeah. Oh, real good.
Really? What? Mmm. That's a really good base for a fire overnight. Just glistening.
It's actually a pretty big stove, I have to say, for a hot tent.
That's not a kitchen knife. You're funny. Apple pie for dessert.
Piping hot.
It was really good. It's oozing with apple filling. You're gonna love this.
I think it's time for bedtime. Look who's already there.
Oh, there's a little bit of a breeze back there. Kind of nice.
You look cozy.
I am. I'm actually hot, but
Is Santa sleeping in the hut?
yeah. Santa's always on the clock.
I'll take outside. I'll stoke the fire tonight.
Yeah, right. You're not gonna keep up with it. You sleep like a log. Good night, everyone. We built the mattress too many times, so we just slept on the ground. Wow, that wind.
Yeah.
Wild out there. Also really cool, last night we got a notification from the cameras that there was a coyote
Crossing right in front of our tent. You come this way, and they turn, come back, and around. We'll see you all next year. Happy holidays, happy New Year's. Thank you all for a great year. See you in 2026.
Happy holidays! Lots of love from us four to all of you.